I had a knee replacement on December 9th by Dr. William Monahan. I fell in December of that year. And then I kept saying, oh, my knee hurts, my leg hurts. So I finally went to the doctor. And we got an orthopedic doctor. And they gave me, they said, who's your doctor? And I said, I don't know anyone up here. So he came out, and my husband, Wayne, and I said, after he left, that's who we're using. He was just he explains everything to you, what he's gonna do and how he's gonna do it. And he shows you the knee parts that he's putting in your knee. And I was, really impressed by that, because I've had one other knee done before and they didn't do anything like that. He's real compassionate with his patients. The number one, he does not give you narcotics. I like that. And I said, what am I gonna take? He said, just Tylenol. And I looked at him like, oh, that's gonna hurt. It was sort of the point where I could barely walk on it. Plus, it hurt up in my hip when I would walk. Much, much, much better. I'm on the last stage of it healing now. Oh, one main thing is I told him before they put me to sleep, please don't make an ugly scar. And he said, don't you worry, you will have a perfect scar. And it is. It's incredible how he does great work. But he was just a fantastic doctor. I would recommend him any day. And I've told 2 or 3 ladies in therapy about him. So I said, you couldn't find anyone any better. So we're real happy with him.